welcome back to the Crochet Crowd. I'm your host Mikey. The letter that we're going to do today is the title of this video. It's only going to be in right-handed format for this because I've been told that if you flip the video camera for the left-handed version, the letters will appear backwards for my left-handed audience. So to not upset anybody, it will not be available in left-handed. Also, in the video description, I linked the playlist where all the letters will exist. They will be provided in time, but I also put one video on how to sew the appliques to the project without going through. So if you want to add personalization of a name and not ruin your project, you can do it that way as well. So I will leave that in your hands, and without further ado, let's get started.
Let's do the letter U as in Uncle Buck. Who knows that movie? What we have is a 4.5mm size G crochet hooks, and we are going to use Caron 1 pound. Let's start with the slip knot, and we're going to start in by chaining 17. So we'll count those out together. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. Let's begin row number 1. So the U is basically formed into shape. It's just a long strand or long piece. So second chain from the hook, back hump only, just single crochet yourself all the way across. You don't really need to count unless you want to or you're bored. All the way to the end. So the tail that you're using right now is going to be the one that will sew it down to the project. So keep that longer. And the other tail is your beginning tail, which you want to get rid of. So this is just going to form the letter U. You're just going to naturally just do it on your own. And so then the beginning tail, you want to turn the U upside down or over. So you're looking at the back of the U, and then just take your tail ends or your beginning tail and just drag it through the back side of the U. So ideally back and forth a total of 3 times is the best solution. Okay, just like that. And then you can safely cut that out, and then you leave the other long tail in for when you're ready to sew it down to your project, the letter U.